Many years ago, I presented a class on how to build cabinets using pocket hole joinery. These were samples I used in the class, and I made the mistake of bringing them home because my wife decided she wanted to keep them. Otherwise, I was going to throw them in the trash bin. But a series of circumstances, we moved a couple locations, and we had to put these in storage. And we finally got settled in a place, and my wife dug these out. She says, can you clean these up so we can hang them on the wall? So I'm going to do that, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you how I put these together using pocket hole joinery. When I build projects using pocket hole joinery, I typically like to make sure that the joints are hidden, that the screw holes are hidden. So I made that my challenge when building these. So when I built these, I joined the sides of the cabinet with pocket hole screws. And you can see I also joined the face frame to the cabinet using pocket hole screws. I did the same thing on the bottom. And then I just made these auxiliary tops, if you want to call it that. Set them on top, and I used a couple screws from inside to fasten the top to the cabinet. Then for the shelf in the middle there, I used pocket hole screws to join the shelf to the sides. So when this is hanging on the wall, you can't see any of the pocket hole screws, pocket holes, and that was my goal. So all that's left for me to do now is to clean these up and put a decent finish on them so that we can hang these up in our living room. I don't even remember what finish I used on this originally. I suspect it was just boiled linseed oil and maybe some wax. So I'm going to wipe these down and apply another finish, and we'll see what happens. So I think, considering what kind of shape these were in when we started, they look pretty good and probably good enough to hang on my living room wall, but when I get them home, my wife will be the final judge of that.